working in BPCL project from last year, means from 1.5 years. And before here, I have worked in Kuwait for 2 years. And overall, if I say, I have 8+ year experience, including 2 years in Saudi Arabia and 2 years in Kuwait. In Kuwait, I have worked for MEP project, and currently I'm working on oil and gas project.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. And any
So
further
you are
question?
working as a planning engineer.
Yeah, currently I'm working as planning engineer.
Previous project also you work as a planning engineer.
Yes, junior planning engineer.
Okay, continue your introduction.
Okay, so just some feedback on your introduction. Please note down. You have to improve some introduction because this is a major impression will give. So, like you have
Okay,
to add some of your educations initially with the name and your address, and after that, when you are presenting your experience, just add the role and responsibilities. Like you're working as a planning engineer in Saudi, you worked as a planning engineer in Saudi and work in the
okay,
Qatar and whatever you work. So just add little bit
okay,
more in the detailing. Better you can just prepare in the written and make a practice.
okay, sir.
Okay, brother.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
and
I'm
add
ready
some
to.
role. Yeah, add some role and responsibilities also, like doing including your introduction, like you are doing the some reportings and preparing some data management or something. Yeah, conducting meeting with the contractors or management like that. This
Okay,
is very important points initially to make impression. Okay, so this is the feedback on
okay.
the your introduction. So basically, you work on which type of project?
Currently I'm working on oil and gas project. This is pipeline ring work.
Okay, so since the start, you're working on pipeline project, or you have worked in oil and gas other like a station, off pad, on pad, which type of? Could you please elaborate
Um,
something?
like this is before in 2020, I have worked for 2 years. Same means oil and gas project like pipeline laying and plus SV work, and and right now also I'm working same like oil and gas project.
Okay, what
Kaustubh bhai,
was?
you no need to mention only same. You need to say your work. Okay, same means no one will going to
Okay,
understand what is same. Means you are working, I am working in pipeline. My project is EPC. Okay, like that. You
okay,
need to give your exposure.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, so could you explain why about role and responsibilities what you carried out?
My role is first prepare schedule and prepare the DPR, daily progress report, weekly progress report, monthly progress report, and attending a weekly review meeting uh, and monthly review meeting, and maintaining MOM, minutes of meeting, and means uh, reviewing all the reports which are preparing on PMS software. Basically, we use PMS software for creating all reports and for verification. And additionally, I also doing billing works of the project, uh, same
Okay,
like this.
great. So could you explain what was the content in DPR?
DPR content as start from route survey work, and grading work, and stringing,
No, no, sorry,
and
Kausar. I'm just asking what was the content in the DPR? Means what you are reporting in the DPR?
daily progress, and
Yes, yes.
equipment
Kaustubh bhai, in
daily
your
progress, like
DPR, you what you are presenting means daily you are doing something, right? For the DPR means DPR
yeah,
you are
daily
attending the daily. So what you present daily in
daily
your report?
daily work reports, like in our day
Sabah,
what
listen,
works
listen,
have
listen, listen
done.
carefully. Listen, first listen. This Sabah by question. What is the content of your DPR? First, okay. Means in your
Content
DPR, what you are
means
presenting. Yeah.
so what you are mentioning in the DPR, like you are updating the today dates, like weather reports, and what is the today plan, tomorrow plan, means what you are reporting in that manpower, equipments. Is there what was the your DPR contents? You told na you are reporting the daily progress report, weekly
Yeah, yeah.
progress report.
Okay, I understand. Now just understand.
Mhm.
My content first, work progress, construction progress, and weather also, and RFI, and manpower report, means manpower details, equipment details. That's
Okay.
it.
You are adding your PMS sheet in the DPR.
Yeah, also same.
You are adding any register log in the DPR.
No, not register log. Only
Okay.
like in PMS, I also get the daily reports, daily activity reports, and plus I add equipment details, and manpower details, and RFI. Basically, I got daily progress from PMS.
Okay. How you are got the progress from the PMS?
I just there is a option of verified uh, progress. And I just put today's date and get the sheet and download in PDF.
So you putting the dates and you are
Uh,
getting the actual plan and like a plan and actual from the DPR PMS, and that same you are reporting.
Yeah, first, I just want to explain on the TMS how it works. Like I have engineers, welding engineers, and uh, uh, all discipline engineers maintain daily basis reports, and that just to show in uh, project progress sheet in PMS.
Mm.
Like everyone
So
have access
who are
to.
okay? So you are telling that every engineers was updating in the PMS sheet. You are just extracting and making PDF and sending to the client, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Here
Just
is not any option to manually talk and take the DPR from WhatsApp group. Everyone have access. Like everyone means all discipline
yeah.
engineers have access to create
So
the
on
report in
every
PMS.
your own all on your project it was happening like that.
Yeah, no,
During
only
five
this
six years.
project. Which
This
one I
project.
have doing? No. Before there,
Okay.
it was not PMS. We were maintaining in Excel sheet and take details on daily basis in evening time in WhatsApp group.
Okay,
They
got it.
just
I got it. I got it, brother. Just note down the feedback. Like you have to go through once again about the DPR, like what you are reporting from start to end before the interview. So this is the major one weekly reports contents. What you are adding in the weekly reports?
Yeah, okay. In weekly reports, I created as per schedule and just mention before 1 week data like till 31.
No, no. See,
Then
see, Kausar, you are going outside. Just tell me what type of reports, like what is the attachments, what type of reporting you are mentioning in the weekly reports. Like just for the example, I'm telling some weekly height slides, some next plan, and after this, what you are updating, or you have any other formats in your project.
I have the format and it shows only activity progress in a week and uh, highlights of the week and a plan for next week. Only these three contents I prepared. That
Okay.
as a requirement from client.
Okay. Is
So
there any
we just
attachment you are adding?
not any other attachment, only just on a simple sheet Excel, three
If you will
sheets
know, if
there are.
listen, if you will not attach any attachment, how you will know what is the plan and what is the actual?
Uh, when no, these things I maintained in MPR, monthly progress report. We
Okay.
attached all photographs and other things. But in weekly, what I have prepared in WPR, just like very simple. The client's requirement not much that we attached photographs and other things for approval, for
So what?
verification.
Okay, okay, I got
They
it. I got it. Okay, I got it. That was the not requirement of the client. But as a planning engineer, what attachment you should be attached? Like from all over your experience, what is the major attachment is required for weekly reports?
attachment like if any major activity we have completed, we just attach there. And same like if any other any major activity we have completed, we just attach. And then not actually I'm not
So
getting it. That
there is no manpower, the histogram, there is no equipment histogram, no look ahead plans, nothing you need to update.
so look ahead plan we just mentioned in we attached in MPR, not weekly report.
So
So what I have prepared
brother,
there.
brother,
And a
मेरे
histogram.
भाई भाई Kausar means what as a planning engineer what should be? Okay, whatever you have done, just forget it. What should be as a planning engineer?
Okay, as a planning engineer, I understand we have to update in the organogram, we have to update the uh, materials, and uh, we have to update equipments, manpowers, these things. I understand. I'm just telling what I am doing. That's why just missing that
Okay, Kaushal, did you prepare any planning package?
planning
Hello?
package.
Yes.
Um,
Did you prepare or not? Yes
no,
or no? Oh, okay. वो सबब
Okay,
भाई क्या है
so
ना, वो शायद इतना डीप में वो लोग नहीं किया उधर, तो उसके
but
हिसाब से थोड़ा
basically
सा ना।
हाँ, okay,
यस
no
यस, पता
problem.
होना चाहिए
So
यहाँ के
if
लिए।
I did the planning package, I listened and
नहीं,
read
see
it.
why
सुनिए
I'm
सुनिए
giving.
कौशर भाई जो बोल रहे हैं सुनिए पहले, आप
See
बोलिए।
why, Kaushal bhai, I'm telling this one. Yesterday we had a one guy interview, and even he was not selected due to the even he doesn't know what is the requirement of a planning engineer. What he done, that is the separate things. What he should do, that
Okay,
must to know. So at least basic things you should know. At least just note down means for the preparation
okay,
you're in mock.
just
Yeah,
okay.
okay, like what should be major attachments? Okay, no need to detail. You are providing too much details like HSE statistics or whatever the other some project
Mm,
giving the procurement or anything.
mm,
But some attachments measure you can take it from us anyone like equipment and manpower and the PMS sheet 3 weeks look ahead. These are the major things. Okay. Same like that for the monthly report. This all the attachment. This is the mandatory and the some of the key
okay,
executive highlights. It is a very important point to say in every small project. It should be like that. Okay. So you worked on the pipeline project, right?
yeah.
Okay. So how much is scope of your project?
It's 23 kilometer
23 kilometer. So
pipeline,
what
common
type of
pipeline,
hello?
common pipeline, 22 inch and 10 inch.
हेलो
Mhm.
कौशर भाई, व्हाट ही आस्क्ड ओनली वाज योर स्कोप, यू नीड टू से इतने किलोमीटर, फिर ये नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे
Okay,
तो आप
okay,
बताइए क्यों
okay.
एक्स्ट्रा जा रहे हैं।
Okay. So this was the pipeline project. Okay. So tell me the sequence of the pipeline. Work.
First, are you handover? Are you survey, clearing and grading, stinging, stinging? If we do mainline welding, so first stinging, welding,
Sorry.
NDT.
Can you repeat? Can you start once again? Sequence of
यस
pipeline.
Okay. Are you handover? Are you
Okay.
survey, clearing and grading, stinging of pipeline pipes, welding? Here is two things. Like if we do mainline welding, then we start from we start after we start after clearing, grading, stinging, welding, RT, coating. Then we trenching. Okay, if we not doing mainline welding, we just doing free time. So we do trenching after clearing and grading. Then we do stinging, welding, NDT, coating, lowering, backfilling, and hydro test.
That was the only sequence, right?
Yeah.
So in your project, there is no any cable laying. There is no any CP work. There is no any route
Uh,
marker, access barrier, bumps
these are
construction. Is
also
there anything?
separate things. This is separate. I just told about pipeline, and for CP works also there is a scope of TCP work. After backfilling, we do TCP work, temporary cathodic protection, and after same way we do also SDP duct laying, and
Mhm.
if there is
You
crossing,
told
we
you added one word as a trenching work. What was the trenching work?
trenching is for open cut we do excavation as per requirement,
You are referring
like
trenching work for the open cut, right?
yeah, open cut.
Okay. So
Okay,
better you
here
have to
one
refer.
thing.
Better you should refer this one as a crossing instead of trenching and other things. Okay. This is feedback from
Shibab,
my end.
yes, Malik, you can just if you're asking the pipeline, so just tell about the sequence of the pipeline simply that you already said
Yes,
that
yes,
route
yes. That
survey.
is
Okay,
simple. Simple.
the
You
route
should tell.
survey,
Yes.
ROW, then USF pipe is stringing, then welding. Okay, no need to mention that also the main. Okay, you can mention the main line. Okay, no issue because you are telling about the main line is okay. After that, then you doing the welding and then RT, NDT, and then coating. FGC also you can mention it, and then hydro test. Okay, if there is a required for the nitrogen purging, then you can also throw the nitrogen purging,
Yeah.
right? Then we will ask about about the crossing activity. There you can say the excavation for that one. There are two type, and then you can explain
Okay.
the activities. Okay, Shabab bhai?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes, you are right. Like a simply simple answer you should provide. Otherwise, more digging will happen. Like more questions will come. No need to explain
Okay.
by self, like tie-in, pre-tie-in, or manual line. Simply you
Okay.
can
Okay.
tell like ROW
Okay, to
and
tell the
stringing or
sequence for
welding
the
ready.
hydro test.
Mainland hydro test. Yeah. So first we get the elevation chart. Oh,
Okay,
sorry,
go
I'm
ahead.
just missing it. I'm just
Okay.
missing it because I didn't read just been running project. We have not done, we have
You have not
Okay,
first
what
started
we
yet?
currently
did
you are doing?
gauging.
What currently you are doing? That one you can tell, no problem.
No, I just getting it. First we do the gauging work. Hydro test gauging. We did gauging work. Then we did press, air volume. Then we did pressure holding. Yes. After that, we start 24 hours pressure holding. Basically, I have not a deeply knowledge about it, but just similar way I just know about this hydro test.
Okay. Do you have know about the crossings? How many type of crossings in the pipeline?
Uh, cro- Crossing, yeah, I know about crossing.
How many type of
Crossing
pipe
like
crossing in the pipeline? How many type in the crossing in the pipeline?
first HDD crossing,
Mm-hmm.
and the second crossing like if there is a river crossing, road crossing.
No, in the
No,
pipeline, how
before
many?
you already explained that Shahbaz bhai, that open cut and the SDT, you can just mention two types of crossing. Okay, basically.
Oh,
Yes, you have to mention two type of the crossing in the pipeline. Okay, one is the open cut, second is the
okay.
STD. And
So is the
so,
open cut called crossing?
huh?
I was just
Sorry,
confused about it.
sorry,
Is open cut
sorry.
is open cut called crossing?
Yes, there is two type of crossings. So I think you are discussing that one. One is open cut. Open cut where you told no, like highway roads,
Yeah,
whatever the.
yeah.
So that
We similar.
uh, yes, just excavating and
Hmm.
lowering the pipes and joint tying and
Yeah.
then backfilling. These all the things will happen
Yeah.
in the open cut. SDT, why we are
Shabab,
doing the
Shabab,
SDT? Yes, yes, yes.
uh,
Yeah.
Malik, that open cut, it means there is no any road and there is no
Yeah,
that is simple excavation, and we doing the simple we doing the excavation, then we are putting post padding and post padding, then laying and entity everything, and then
backfilling.
backfilling we doing. This is the simple. When we are getting some challenges for, there is no for, I told you, the cable and rig road, and then bridge and over bridge, and there is an conflict. We cannot do the simple excavation of that area. Then we are doing
Yes,
the
yes,
SDT, as you already know that you are already explained that from one point to another point we are making a drilling that hole for six
and
for
reaming.
example 6 inch,
Oh,
that
oh,
is the pipe. Then we are first we're doing the drilling. Okay, after drilling, then we are putting everything
reaming.
completed for this piping for hydro test and everything. Then we are pulling that pipe and another joint and joint, and that's in joint we are doing the last that joint finish joint. And then this crossing is called as the SDD crossing. Everywhere where is
Right.
where some faces, then SDD were, and simple open cut, it means there is no any underground, simply excavating, and then after that we are lowering the pipe and welding and it is everything coating, then post
Yes,
padding, and then we are backfilling. That is a simple. Okay, that is called as a
yes,
open cut. Okay, okay,
yes, yes.
Sabha bhai.
Yeah, he's explained very well. So in the open cut and SDD, they might be they can ask something like that. We have to do some trial pits. Why we are doing the trial pits? Do you know?
Yeah, trial pit. Yeah, just for the
Okay.
trial pit we do just for means for soil. For soil test we did trial pit. Like how much we can excavate and what is the strata of ground. Just for that we did trial pit.
For also any there is a anything we underground we
Existing
don't know.
services to
Yeah,
basically check
existing
the
services,
existing
right.
Sub,
services that yes. So
yeah,
instead of the
Sabha
soil
bhai.
testing and this all, yes, yes, yes. Tell me, yes, tell
So
me,
I
Shabash bhai.
want to add one more thing.
Hmm.
Sabha bhai, this is
Mm-hmm.
a customer. I want to add one more thing. Here we do also geotech for start
Geotech.
of SDD. Geotech,
Okay.
geotech, yeah, for
So
ground
what
strata.
is the
Okay, that's
geotech?
good.
They
You
are
can
doing some
mention that
soil.
also.
Sorry.
Geotech is the soil testing, or is there any different?
Yeah, for soil testing and
Yeah.
underground utilities for that things we did. Basically, every crossing client requirements has a geotech. Before we start SDD works, we first of all we start from geotech. After the topography, then topography, then after approval of topography, we prepared SDD profile and SDD design calculation. After approval of these things, we start pilot works.
Okay, this is the last question. SDD. Do you know about the SDD process, Kausar?
Yeah, I know. I can explain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. For SDD works, first, as I suggest, first we start from design works, engineering works like
Mm-hmm.
topography, and then after we start pilot hole work. After pilot hole work, we do reaming, reaming works. After reaming works, we did clean pass. After clean pass, we do pipe pull, pipe pull works.
Okay, it would be best if you add some section welding and hydro test of the
Section
section.
preparation also, section preparation you can
That is
mention,
the
because
major.
we're doing the
Yeah.
section preparation and doing the hydro test, then we are finally we are doing welding, then we are
Okay.
pulling and
Okay. Okay.
okay.
I
Then
just
section
simply told
preparation you can
about
mention and
SDD,
hydro test
SDD
also.
works. Okay. For section preparation, if I say, first of all, section means welding works, then RT, then hydro test, pre-hydro test we do. After pre-hydro test, we do joint coating. And after pipe pull means after completing our pipe pulling work, we do also post-hydro test.
Okay, great. So, okay, Shabazz bhai, Zahid bhai, you can take it from here. Continue to ask some P6 and all the things, some Excels.
Okay, okay, that one you can explain briefly. That good for you also. That as the dissection. Okay, that hardware test is much necessary. You already explained that point, and then you can just tell that final trading. Then you have to mention that the pooling remaining, and then final we are doing. Okay, so tell the sequence of the this time.
Time. Okay.
Yes,
For the time, you just like time works. For HDD works for means mainline section.
pipeline. You are just asking simple for the pipeline.
Okay. For time, we just did like we just get the distance between two sections, and if we required, we do pipe cut works. Pipe after pipe cut works, we do pipe beveling, and after pipe beveling, we do UT ultrasonic testing works. Then we just fit up and welding works.
Okay, first we taking the handover from the operation team, and then we are depressurizing the line. After depressurizing, then we can do any work. Okay, for on this line, then you can cut that pipeline, and then you have the babbling, leveling, and then fit up, and you
Yeah.
are welding doing. Okay, so you can mention the starting 2, 3 point also. Okay,
Okay. Get it.
for
Sorry, Kaushal bhai, could you explain about the what type of major materials required for pipeline work?
Major requirement
Major
like
materials required for the piping pipeline work.
first like after free issue material uh, and like welding electrode for welding and coating slip and coating slip also required for joint coating and electrode for welding and pipes are in this project we get it from clients, which is free issue material. Basically we need electrode and coating slip for joint coating. These are
Only
means coating slip
no
for
need,
joint coating.
no flanges.
No, the pipeline there is no need of flanges. This is about
Okay. No walls.
walls.
Yes.
Yeah, walls needed.
His question was simple. What items you need for your work? Right, na Sabam bhai?
Exactly.
Yes.
You are
So
not
you need
you're
to
not
Okay.
telling any say, major like simply you can tell now some pipes and like pipe
Pipes.
required, fittings required, flanges required, valves required, and for the joints for the tying parts, induction bands required, and this
but
field
he
joint coatings
mentioned
material. This
flange
is the
not
major.
required.
yes.
So this is the major items you are work in the pipeline itself 5 to 6 year, and you're not telling any single
Okay.
items. So just note down this all the points, brother. So
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay,
Really, I
so
say
tell the
I know
productivity of the
everything,
welding
but
in pipeline.
I don't.
and also you know you have to know very well about the which type of pipes you are using in your project, like seamless pipe,
Yeah.
carbon steel, or which type of pipes,
Yes,
and
yes, yes.
what was the. So these all the things, technical things you should know in the details if you work more than 5 years.
Yeah.
Yes, because you are interview for the UAE, right? So you need to prepare accordingly. Okay.
Okay. Shabaji, basically, I say I know these things flying walls just before 3 days.
We are not.
Okay,
This question
I
was
prepared
listen, listen,
MIV. I
listen.
just
Hello,
understand now. Hmm.
listen. His question was simple. What material you required? क्या क्या चाहिए आपको काम करने के लिए? सब कुछ चाहिए ना.
हाँ
आप
वो
पाइपलाइन में
समझ गए
काम कर रहे थे
समझ
तो सबका नाम चाहिए.
भाई मैं समझ गया, मैं अभी जो दिमाग में आ रहा है, अभी परसों ही मैं भी मैं जनरेट किया हूँ।
ठीक है, तो
ओके
रिजेक्शन
ओके।
के लिए बस एक क्वेश्चन ही इनफ होता है, सो जस्ट वी
enough
आर
है।
टेलिंग, जस्ट नोट डाउन। आपको समझने में वहां लेट नहीं लगाना है, ठीक है।
वेट नहीं
प्रैक्टिस कर
लगाना।
लो
ठीक है
इसको, जो जो
ठीक है।
मेजर को क्वेश्चंस थे ना उसको अभी रिकॉर्डिंग्स ले लेना और उसको दोबारा आप
ठीक
रीथिंक
है
करना, और कोई भी हेल्प चाहिए तो
ठीक
टीम
है ठीक
मैसेज
है
करना आप किसी को भी। और थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस और लाओ
ठीक
आप,
है।
ताकि लगे कि आप एक्सपीरियंस गए हो, ठीक है।
Correct, because you are showing
एंड
7 years or 8 years experience. So interview will be
इवन
go like that. Yes,
मेरे को थोड़ा
इवन एट
प्रॉब्लम हो
लीस्ट,
गया अंडरस्टैंड।
नो
no
प्रॉब्लम।
problem.
यू आर गुड इन द प्राइमवेरा।
बेसिक मीन्स बेसिक,
Out of 10, how
because
much
here
you will give
I
yourself?
am not means it is not practice. From last
Okay,
two
okay,
years
man.
I am not practicing this.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, टेल मी अबाउट द
Okay.
But
डिफरेंस
you
अबाउट।
you cannot say like that to client, okay, when you are
No,
doing the
this is
interview. They will ask you how
Sabab
rate
bhai, it is a very
yourself.
much problem.
सॉरी,
Uh,
सॉरी उसेद भाई।
no, no, you told like no problem, but it's a big problem. If you will tell like this, I am not using from last 2 years. Okay, then your interview is gone that time only.
Yes.
Close that time.
If even if you have not used in your life, you have to tell in the meeting that in the interview that I am using it regularly. Okay.
At least you can give your ratings, like you can tell I'm using this one, I'm not a proficient, but I can work on this and I'm doing this one, okay. Show the confidence, later you can see, okay, कैसे
Okay,
करना है, ठीक
I
है।
have to work on it.
ओके, एंड सेकेंड थिंग्स, ओके, बेसिक्स ऑफ एक्सेल्स के बारे में थोड़ा बता दो, डिफरेंस बता दो वी लुकअप, एक्स लुकअप और एच लुकअप का, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन दिस ऑल।
Do you know about VLOOKUP?
No, just
No?
missing
Oh,
it.
no missing. It's compulsory to know. You need to practice. Last
Mm.
I am
maybe
using,
In
but I am
group, you
last
unable to
we
explain, sir.
already said that
unable to
one
explain.
session. One session we already
Yeah.
share in the group.
Yes, before maybe 5 6 day one this Osai one share one X lookup or V lookup Excel. It's very
It was,
powerful.
yeah,
I
it
think
was
you are
very
still not
nicely
open it.
explained. Yes, it was
Yes.
given the link
Just go
also. It
through
is
that
very
one.
nice class.
The problem is like when we are giving the classes, no one is attending. So we also got back
Correct.
today. Today was the session day. Was we didn't
Even
attended.
even Jahid bhai is also not showing interest, so we quit. We do internally only.
You know,
We are noting every point.
Jawab,
So,
last time I sent you message link, today I forget.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
Anyways,
no
let
bhai.
me
worries.
Means
ask some questions. Huh?
are you using VLOOKUP or not? Do you know or not? Yes or no?
no.
Okay, that's it. And simple like you know na this Excel some product plus minus
Yeah, yeah.
new sheet insert
These
or
things,
insert the column row.
yeah. Basic,
Okay.
I know. Actually I do all works in Excel, but what I say, I'm unable to explain these things.
You are on laptop?
No, I'm on mobile.
What is this man?
ब्रो 30-30
Oh,
सेकंड का वीडियो है यूट्यूब पे, जस्ट चेक कर लो, 30 सेकंड में पता चल जाएगा कि वी
ठीक है।
लुकअप को क्या बोलते हैं, क्यों करते हैं, ठीक है।
वो
बिफोर द
अभी
इंटरव्यू
जो
जस्ट चेक।
वो जो अभी सेंड किया है ना उसे तो उसको भी देखेंगे तो एकदम क्लियर आएगा, पता चलेगा।
मैं किया हूँ, मैं काम कर रहा हूँ उस पे, लेकिन मैं बता नहीं पा रहा हूँ कि क्या बोलूंगा।
क्यों नहीं बता पा
ठीक
रहा
है,
हूँ?
मैं
ये तो
देख
करेक्ट
प्रॉब्लम
लेता
है
हूँ।
ना,
करेक्ट।
बताना पड़ेगा।
मैं सच एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ सर। मेरा आप चीट देखेंगे तो आप बहुत सारे फार्मूलाज में यूज करता हूँ,
मैंने
और तो
देखिए, सिंपल सी बात मैं बता रहा हूँ उसको, नेगेटिव वे में मत लीजिएगा। बहुत
जी
सारे प्लानिंग
जी।
इंजीनियर्स आते हैं बीच में रिपोर्टिंग का टाइम पे, ठीक है। वो हमारे
हाँ,
साथ भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, 80% से 90%। तो सब कुछ बना बनाया होता है, हम लोग जाके मेंटेन करते हैं, रिपोर्टिंग करते हैं। तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जो बना हुआ ऑलरेडी उसको फॉर्मूला रिवाइज नहीं करते हैं। तो वही मे भी आपके साथ हो रहा होगा, ऑलरेडी फॉर्मूला लगा हुआ है लेकिन आप उसमें देखे नहीं तो अंदर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं। खैर कोई नहीं, वो
वही
नो
बता
नो
रहा हूँ।
प्रॉब्लम, इस तरह सबके साथ होता है। लेकिन वो आपको मतलब वी लुकअप एक्स लुकअप जो है ना, ये आपका प्लानिंग इंजीनियर्स के लिए सबसे सबसे ज्यादा यूजली फॉर्मूला है एक्सेल में। डेली 2 बार 3 बार तो यूज करना ही करना है, तो इसीलिए आपको मालूम होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना, एटलीस्ट।
सम प्रोडक्ट मालूम
ठीक
है
है
कौन
सर।
सा भाई? सम प्रोडक्ट
हाँ, सम प्रोडक्ट पता है।
और
वो
एक्सप्लेन
फार्मूला है,
करिए।
उसमें तो पूरा
हम प्रोडक्ट
लाइक
बताइए क्या होता है,
एक्सप्लेन
क्यों
हाउ
यूज
इट
करते
वर्क।
हैं। या
basically in a for a column for addition, we use some product.
For addition,
Yeah, for addition.
तो कोई एक एग्जांपल देके बताइए.
Like in schedule, we use some product for overall for percentage. For percentage, I get it like means cumulative progress and uh, schedule progress.
और ये भी यूट्यूब पे देखिए सही से some प्रोडक्ट वगैरह.
ठीक है, यूज कर रहा हूँ मैं, बता नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं, थोड़ा सा मेरे को
ओके,
इस पे वर्क करना होगा।
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. आपको इंटरव्यू में आंसर करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है.
ठीक है।
तो सबाब भाई और कुछ है?
सेकंड
ये
सुशील भाई
Mr.
आ गए
Kausar,
हैं.
like I heard that your project is for 22-kilometer pipeline, correct?
जी हाँ,
So what duration is there, like in the project? Like what was the baseline duration?
baseline duration was 11 months, but currently we are doing second extension, and it elapsed 18 months right now, and currently we have completed 76% progress.
Okay.
Because there is some much more hindrances, because there is cross country pipeline.
Okay.
There are much
That is okay.
RU
That is
handover.
See, I asked you only baseline duration. No need to explain much. Okay.
Yes.
Whatever interviewer asking, just answer that question and let him come back. Okay. 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 Now see,
Okay,
like,
okay.
let's suppose you have a six dia-inch pipeline. Okay.
Okay.
And you have a one crew with two welders. So in how many days you will finish 1 kilometer pipeline?
Okay. For 6 inch, if we have two crew with two welder, in a day we
One
will
crew,
complete 30.
one crew with two welders. I'm telling, like you have two welders.
Okay, okay. In a day we will complete 30 job.
How much?
In a week we can complete 1 kilometer.
In a week you can complete 1 kilometer.
Yeah.
Like how much productivity you are calculating per welder?
For 6 inch, its productivity will be, if one crew with two welder, we can get 20 joints in a day.
20 joints.
Yeah, for 6 inch joint or 6 inch pipeline.
It means you are telling that 120. One welder will weld 60 dia-inch per day.
So means,
Is it possible?
yeah. Sorry, means as if we talk about productivity, one welder means a crew can do 15 joints in a day.
Okay, how much will welder with one crew?
In a crew, to if below 10 inch, we required one welder, one grinder, one fitter.
No, you are
For a
telling
crew,
me that
and one helper.
You are telling me that one crew will do 15 joints, correct? Per day.
Yeah, yes, sir.
I am not talking about 6 dia-inch only. Okay. So how much crew in the crew? How much welder are there? Like that, 15 joints. How much welder is doing?
50 joints, one welder.
One
Below
welder.
10 inch. For below 10 inch pipeline. For
Boss,
below
15
10
into
inch
6,
pipeline.
15 into 6, 90 dia-inch you are telling for one welder. It is like impossible to the square.
Not yes, sir. Currently, this project our team is doing in a day. For if
You are
like
doing 15 joints or 15 dia-inch?
no, 15 joints for 6 inch
It's
pipeline.
not possible. It's not possible. If any people in the group can explain, I'm not sure like if it's possible even.
It's not
maximum
possible.
we can Maximum we can get 3 to 4 joints maximum per welder.
in one day.
3 joints is also like too much, but okay, we can get 3 joints, sometimes 4 joints, but more than 4 joints with one welder, it's impossible. So that's what I asked you this question. Okay, so you are telling too much productivity, huh?
Usaid bhai,
एक
I'm
welder
leaving.
है ना?
Hello, Usaid bhai,
Okay,
I'm
no,
leaving.
no, no, no problem. Okay, no problem.
Okay,
See,
thank you
Kaushal
guys.
bhai, one
जी भाई
one welder can weld maximum 15 inch per day. Okay, you can assume like that. Productivity is this. So if you will
no no
weld one
my
joint, you will get.
my question is my answer is a crew can do 15 joints for 6-inch pipelines.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. Per day, you are telling, correct?
Yeah, correct, per day, sir.
That is not possible. No? That's what I'm telling.
With one welder, it's possible.
Kausar bhai, you don't no need to
If
confuse
no,
regarding number of joints and like inch dia. Okay, both are different.
the inch that we use for piping, here pipeline
Correct,
Shabazz bhai,
correct.
even inch dia, suppose 6 inch pipe, that one even if 15 into 15 into 6, you 19 inch dia.
Listen. What said by explaining, ना just
sir
listen.
sir
Said by
sir
एक बार
one
बताइए.
sir if one let me sir, here is cross country pipeline. So I'm explaining on the basis of cross country, not in refinery or yard basis. In cross country, we have much productivity if there is no any adult. So here, our team is doing every day for 10-inch pipeline. We get 15 joints from one crew.
Even in
On that
workshop,
basis,
here in a workshop, we are not getting that much productivity.
no, my difference.
Okay. Anyways,
One crew get
maybe you are getting in your project, no worries, but it's too much. I don't think it will be there. You just check it. And even if you are getting, if in this interview, UAE interview, if they will ask, you will in 6 inch, one welder can weld 3 joints per day maximum. Okay, not more than that. So you have to tell like this. Okay.
uh,
Okay. So in 1 kilometer, how many joints are there?
there is
In 1 kilometer pipe.
12-meter pipe. It will be 82 joint.
Yeah. So my question was, in one kilometer, how much days it will take with two
In a
welders?
week.
So
With two
no, in
welders,
a
we
week
can
again,
make
no.
it stronger.
In a week, it's not possible. The two welders will join 6 joints per day because three, okay? Six. So 83 joints you will get in 14 working days. So it will take at least 2 weeks as per UAE standard. Okay, maybe your project you are doing, but you have to tell answer based on UAE. Okay.
Okay. Okay. On that basis, I will suggest it. I'm telling just
Yeah,
as my experience.
but
Based
again,
on
I'm
this
like
experience.
I am bit like curious that your productivity in your project also it's too much high. Just check it. I think like something is wrong. That is too much productivity. Even if it is not refinery, we can't get that much diamonds. Okay.
Sir, yeah,
Anyways,
okay. I did. Sir, for refinery, I have low productivity. For just cross country, I just uh, say this is
but
productivity for cross country.
okay. Problem. Okay. So do you know about commodities?
Commodity.
Yeah. Are you aware of commodity?
No, sir, I don't. Commodity. No. I'm missing it.
Okay. So this in our pipeline, na
Commodity.
major commodity. Yeah.
I'm missing it. No, sir.
Okay, no
I
problem.
don't want to
See,
waste
in
time.
our in pipeline we have this welding, NDT, okay, field joint coating, crossings, excavation. All these are our commodities. Okay, so depending on the scope of work, our commodities will be separate. Like civil have separate commodities. So these are the commodities, and commodity curve is one of the major like attachment in the planning package. So you should know. Okay, like
Okay, sir.
welding.
I will learn
When
about
they will ask about commodities, so you have in the pipeline project, your commodities are welding, NDT, field joint coating, like this. You have to tell. So you should know this
Okay.
thing. Huh?
Okay, I just need to.
Savaj, bhai, like please share everything like one planning package of the project so that he will go through and he will be aware of the terms because he has not worked in UAE enough, so maybe. Huh? Okay, I think like we have concluded major questions, but Kausar bhai, like you have to go through again the missed question, huh? And be ready
Okay, I've just
because
noted down
some
all
questions is.
everything. What I
Yes,
have
yes, you
Uh,
noted,
right.
can.
I
Osad
just
bhai, please
note down.
share his recording also. We will get it.
Yeah, I will share.
Okay.
कौशल भाई वो जितना भी क्वेश्चन हुआ ना ग्रुप में वो सबको थोड़ा नोट करिए और यहाँ के अकॉर्डिंग
मैं नोट
प्रिपेयर
डाउन
करिए
किया हूँ।
ठीक है ये रिकॉर्डिंग में
ठीक
भी
है,
पूरा
ठीक है।
मिलेगा आपको ठीक है